Ever since Tirelo took the main chick position, good things are happening between Tirelo and Mpumelelo. Congratulations to them. Anyway, guys, so let's get to the story of today. You know, the rules of the house is someone Vosale. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe it, to like it, and comment, guys. I really love these two. Seeing them winning together is a beautiful thing. So anyway, guys, Tirelo and Mpumelelo decide to surprise us this Monday. What a way to end this September. So they posted this picture. Tirelo went on to say that we were invited at Ready Steer Cook SA in celebration of the Heritage Month, live tonight at 7 o'clock on SABC 3, guys. So if you want to see them, make sure that at 7 o'clock you are turning that TV into SABC 3. You can catch us today, guys. Wow, they really look beautiful. These are the only couple that keeps their promise, guys, unlike Vuyokazi and her husband. So on the other side is Sabelo. We all know that Sabelo is Vuyokazi's husband or fiance. We can say husband in African culture. So obviously yesterday people were angry at the fact that he did not come back, but for me today he posted this a beautiful picture. I'm not gonna like Vuyokazi, she's glowing and she's living her best life. But guys, let's be honest, Vuyokazi and Sabelo, the way they were talking to their fans, it was totally out of control. You could have just addressed the matter earlier on, guys. You could have just been honest with your fans. You could have just say, hey guys, the event was not mine, I was just doing it for my friends. The way he was talking, I mean, just look at these comments. I will not repeat, I'm not a public figure. If you don't like me, just unfollow me. It's not like I'm getting paid by followers. Guys, one day you will need these people. You will really need them. Yes, you do have a daily job and you have a family. We do understand that. But one day you will need them. That's not how to talk to people. They were very rude. Even Vuyokazi on the other side, guys, you could have addressed. You could have just say, hey guys, come on. Now I feel like they were wrong. They were Vuyokazi and Sabelo, they were wrong for this one. I mean, this thing could have stopped 2 weeks ago. You knew you're not coming back. You knew the event was not yours. And then why do you let people celebrate for something that is not even there? These people are showing love. It's not like they don't have a life. They do have love. They just love Vuyokazi. And if it wasn't for Vuyokazi, none of us would have known you. I mean, for him to say that, I thought today he's going to apologize. The only thing he did, he posted Vuyokazi the same minute after Tirelo and Mpumelelo posted their picture. Like, guys, those are really, guys, that's totally unfair. People really felt bad, you know, for loving Vuyokazi and for showing love to Sabelo. When people show love to you, guys, as much as I want to talk about Mpumelelo, guys, as much as people hate Mpumelelo, but I've never seen Mpumelelo roasting people. I've never seen Mpumelelo coming out, you know, being rude to people. Guys, Mpumelelo is the most hated person. If you could go to TikTok with the things that people are saying about Mpumelelo, it's Mpumelelo. But I've never seen him coming out to say that you're being rude. He understands that this is how things are done in social media. I need to control my emotions. Anyway, guys, send me a comment section. What do you think? Do not forget to subscribe to like, comment, happy Monday, please.